So friends, today in this video we are going to see hybridization. How to calculate hybridization of any compound. So the atom undergoes hybridization. So first we will see the atoms carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. So if the carbon contains 4 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp3. If the carbon contains 3 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp2. And if the carbon contains 2 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp. And of nitrogen, it is if the nitrogen contains 3 sigma bond, then the hybridization is sp3, same like others. So now we are going to see with an example. So this is methane CH4. So the hybridization is sp3. Now if it is ethene, then the hybridization of this carbon is sp2. If it is alkyne, then the hybridization is sp. So now we are going to see this example. So to calculate the hybridization of this nitrogen, so this nitrogen is attached to 3 sigma bonds. So 3 sigma bonds, so the hybridization is sp, 3 sigma bonds, so the hybridization is sp3. Now this carbon is attached to 4 sigma bonds, so the hybridization is sp3. This carbon is attached to 1 double bond and 3 sigma bond, so the hybridization is sp2. 3 sigma bond, hybridization is sp2. Now how to calculate the hybridization of oxygen? So the oxygen contains 2 sigma bonds, so the hybridization is sp3. Now we will look at different compound. So now this compound contains 2 pair of lone pair. So 2 lone pair and 1 double bond. So the total is 3. So the electron density. Is 3 for oxygen. So if the electron density is 3, then the hybridization is sp2. S and p2, that is 3. So if it is 2, then the hybridization is sp. If it is 3, then sp2. If it is 4, then sp3. If it is 5, sp3d. If it is 6, then sp3d2. So now we are going to see if the hybridization is sp, sp2, sp3, what is the geometry of the compound. Now these are the hybridization and these are the geometry of a compound. If it is sp, then it is linear. If it is sp2, it is trigonal planar. If it is sp3, tetrahedral. D sp3, trigonal pyramidal. D2 sp3, octahedral.
तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो देन टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, दिस इज श्रेनिक जैन, पीस आउट।